Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and if this is your first time here, thank you so much for joining me today. Today's video is a very simple video. I'm going to be showing you how to cut an onion. Yes, this is a very easy way to cut an onion to get it right every single time. So just in case you've ever been thinking, there has to be an easier way to cut an onion, there has to be a better way to cut an onion, maybe this video will resonate with you. Let's get into it. Alright, so you start with your onion, cut it into 2 halves. Alright, just go straight in and cut it into 2 halves, okay? And I'm going to show you how to work with 1 half, but of course what you do to this half, you can just do to the other half as well. So first of all, you want to peel the outer covering. You don't want any of that outer covering. That's not for you to eat. That is for you to get rid of. Chop off the top and bottom parts, okay? That's also not for you to eat. And then hold your onion down strongly and then cut it into these vertical slices while trying to keep it together, okay? You don't want it to fall apart. And then you go into the other direction and cut it as well into vertical slices along that direction. And if it scatters a bit, just try to grab it together and keep on cutting it and get any pieces you may have missed. And that is it. In that way, you have cut your onion into regular square pieces, very even, very fine, very easy. And you, like I was saying earlier, you do the same thing for the other half to get your onion fully cut. And then you can put it in a bowl and just use your fingers to separate it, any parts that are stuck together and all of that. And that is it. Isn't that easy? I hope this video helped someone. I feel like this is just such an easy, repeatable, nice, clean way to cut onions. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Like I said, this is a very simple video. Just wanted to pop in and share this. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe. Till the next one, guys. Bye.